Welcome home to 840 Timbers Edge Lane in Northbrook. Seize the rare opportunity to own this custom-built 2016 home. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms with a gorgeous custom-finished basement. Come on in. The open concept is flexible for comfortable dining or extravagant entertaining. High-end Jenn-Air appliances provide glam and function. The first floor office overlooks the porch, separate from the rest of the house. The premium lot was chosen for its proximity to the association grounds. It's like your own park without the maintenance. Enjoy the expanded deck as you relax. Upstairs boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a laundry room. Hardwood floors throughout, and architectural details. Lots of natural light. This beautiful basement was recently finished, complete with a 5th bedroom, rec room, and a wine fridge for all your family needs. Located in Northbrook District 27, this stunning home is immaculate and ready for a new family. Just imagine enjoying your next holiday here. Welcome home to 840 Timbers Edge Lane.